All right. So yeah, hi guys. Today's video I will be talking about vocabulary book. A lot of coaching people in coaching and also a lot of mentors tell you guys to maintain a vocabulary book and read 20 words every day and improve your vocabulary. I think in perspective of cat, it's a bogus. It's a bogus tip. It's not useful at all, according to me. I might be wrong, but according to me, it's a bogus tip. I will let you know why it's a bogus tip. See, cat vocab is not tested. Your RC skills are tested. Your reading comprehension is tested. Vocabulary is not at all tested. So even if you don't know a particular word, it won't hamper your RC skills, right? If you read some words, right, the probability of chance of coming those words which you studied coming in the exam is very dim. So I don't think it's worth it investing like 30 minutes to 1 hour a day to that rather than read RCs and solve RCs. It's my opinion and I think I'm right. Tip would be instead of reading the vocabulary, try to inference you don't know meaning of a particular word, try to infer it from the passage itself. You can easily do it. If you don't know the one word, how can you be so sure that the whole RC might be of that word only and you won't be able to infer or comprehend what the author is trying to say or that the RC is trying to say? Try to get the inference from the other words. You can do it. It's very easy. All you can just skip it. Use algebra in VARC. Like if a particular word you don't know, skip it. For example, if Frazer is intelligent, if you don't know the meaning of the word intelligent, just skip it. I'm not intelligent, but let's say if Fraser is X, if you will know the meaning of the word by reading the previous sentence or the next sentence. It's not that difficult, guys. Try to understand. I guess vocab book is time waste and bogus. I might be wrong, but I think I'm right. And that's it for this video. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.